Well, engineering is a scientific field and job that involves taking our scientific understanding of the natural world and using it to invent, design, and build things to solve problems and achieve practical goals. This can include the development of roads, bridges, cars, planes, machines, tools, processes, and computers. In other words, we can say engineering is acknowledged as a discipline that opens up opportunities and creates technology and products that help make our lives easier. Engineers are shaping the future by applying their skills to almost everything you can think of, from medicine to renewable energy, food technologies to sustainable mining. There really is no limit what engineers can do. History of engineering. The concept of engineering existed since ancient times as humans devised fundamental inventions such as the pulley, lever, and wheel. Each of these inventions is consistent with the modern definition of engineering. The word engineer has its root in the word engine, which comes from the Latin word ingenium, which means innate quality, particularly of mental power. And thus the word engineer emerged as a person who creates nifty and practical inventions. Branches of engineering. Today, the field of engineering offers more career choices than any other discipline. In the past, there were only 4 major engineering branches, which include mechanical, chemical, civil, and electrical. However, since the human race has been swiftly advancing with regards to technology, new branches of engineering are being developed. Engineering jobs can now also be found widely in the computer engineering, software engineering, nanotechnology, mechatronics, and many more. What do engineers do? The field of engineering is so vast that it is very hard to define exactly what an engineer does. Yes, engineers still build skyscrapers, design machinery, develop software, and oversee public works. But that's only the beginning. They also address society's needs and problems on a number of other scales, with a unique blend of technology and science. At the atomic level, material engineers are developing data storage techniques focusing on the spin of electrons in atoms. At the molecular level, chemical and bioengineers are working on drug delivery systems that work inside cells. At the macro level, environmental engineers are quantifying the particle flow of pollutants through soil to better understand how to clean up abandoned industrial sites, oil spills, and other biohazards. And at the galactic level, astronomical engineers are designing spacecraft for other world exploration. Work environment. The workplace of an engineer depends on the type of engineer, their actual job description, and the company they work for. Many engineers work in an office environment. Some work in industrial plants. Others may spend time outdoors at construction sites. And some engineers travel extensively to plants or work sites here and abroad. Many engineers work a standard 40-hour week. At times, deadlines or design standards may bring extra pressure to a job. Skills required for engineering. Most aspiring engineers will need at least a bachelor's degree, more probably a master's degree from an engineering school. Besides the proper educational background and relevant technical experience, you will need to demonstrate many soft skills, knowledge of the core subject, application of knowledge, analytical and creative thinking, and familiarity with industry standards in order to get and keep a good job. Pros of engineering. Engineering degrees usually dominate the best college degrees lists. It's a bit easier to get a job with an engineering degree than with a humanities degree. Engineering jobs pay well and are more stable than most other careers. Also, there is a wide variety of job opportunities. If you like solving problems, then the right engineering job will keep you busily happy. You would finally know how things work in real life. You would finally learn the science or engineering behind all machines. You can design and implement your own creation. Engineers often escalate to management positions and earn excellent money over the life of their careers. If a career in research is interesting, an engineering degree can pave the way to further study. An understanding of high-level math gives a greater understanding of the world around you, and application of this to real problems can be very satisfying. Abundant job opportunities worldwide. The world will always get more technically advanced and will need more engineers. Cons of engineering. The engineering coursework can be quite difficult. If you don't have the aptitude for it, then you might not be able to get through it. The cost for college will be relatively high. The amount of stuff you learn at university is negligible to what you do in industry. In industry, you'll probably solve a problem that has never been encountered before. You need to keep learning new stuff to stay current in your field. The work can be stressful, especially when the equipment or structure has the potential to impact human life. Long work hours. It's hard to maintain a good work-life balance in the initial phase of an engineering career. Workload can be unpredictable and at times very high. Need to do a lot of hard work during studies and also after studies until you get settled in a good job. Even after that, you have to continue your hard work to keep up with the latest technology. Studying never stops. Well, don't be scared. It's not that difficult as it looks to keep up with the latest technology. The bottom line is, you have to enjoy it. If you like tinkering with electronics, writing computer programs, building Lego robotics, or taking apart engines, then you might enjoy being an engineer. It's a tough decision to make when you're young, but reach out and try to talk to some real engineers if you're thinking about a career in engineering.